This is an installation video for K10241. It's a tensioner only bracket, so it's kind of an AC delete bracket to go on your big block with a long water pump. We're going to start off by doing some pre-assembly. Now big blocks will either have a 7/16 or a 3/8 hole in the cylinder head. Ours has two 7/16 bolts down here and then one 3/8 bolt up here. Now these are large enough to take 7/16 all the way around and also do 3/8 all the way around. Then we're just going to load up our tubes and we're ready to install it on the cylinder head. We're going to install it on the cylinder head in the 3 bolt holes we have here. We're just going to get these finger tight. Tighten these down just a little bit more and then we'll put the tensioner on and go through a torque sequence. We're ready to install the tensioner. We're going to take our 3/8 bolts and load those up. And then this just simply goes on here like so. And then we have a washer and a 3/8 nut on both of those. And we'll do this lower one here and then we're ready for the torque sequence. We're going to torque all bolts to 25 foot-pounds. We'll start with the lower ones here going into the cylinder head. And then we'll switch over to our other size here. We're going to stick with 25 foot-pounds for this. And then for the tensioner, we'll grab our 9/16 open end and you can tell I'm anticipating it getting there because I'm trying to help it along. Now we'll install a belt. We're ready to install the belt. We'll go ahead and get it on all the grooves here. Some of these belts are been sitting on the shelf a little while. Taking a little bit of a set. 15 millimeter for your tensioner over here. Break it over and slide it over the bell of the water pump. Now we do a good job of calling out belts that you need. Make sure it's down in all of your grooves. But what's most important is taking a look at the tensioner marks to make sure that your belt isn't slightly longer or shorter than it needs to be. Let's take a look at that now. You can see here on the tensioner there's an indicator and then 3 marks here on the body. What we're going to want to do is have a belt that is somewhere between these 2 marks here. This one's just right at the edge, and so that'll be good. As this belt wears, it's going to stretch out a little bit and also sit further down in the grooves, both of which will effectively make the belt slightly longer. So we want a belt that's a little bit on the tight side, so as it wears, it's going to keep in its operating range. Thank you for watching this quick performance installation video. If you have any questions about your install or concerns, please either email us or give us a phone call. We do want to help. And if you have any pictures of your install, we would love to see those either for our website or social media. Thanks.